Hey guys, how's it going? We now come to our final discussion on other important instructions. This can be found in the last section of the CLAT 2019 website on the instructions page. I just want to quickly take you through all of them. Point number 1, information regarding details of intake reservation policies and courses offered along with the fee structures of various participating national law universities is available in the information brochure, which can be accessed from the official website of CLAT and also from the websites of the participating NLUs. So I definitely encourage you to go through all of this brochure, especially the colleges that you're very much interested in. So before you apply, you should definitely check out the brochure. And in fact, when you go through the brochures is when you realize whether you're really interested in the university or not, right? So then accordingly, you can fill in your merit cum preference list also. Next, whatever information that is provided in your e-brochure, so it is not very exhaustive in the brochures. They're very small if you've seen just a few pages. So you can go to the websites. You can go to each of the respective websites of the universities. So and look at whatever information you need. And I also encourage you to go through the at least social media handles of these websites. If the social media handles of these universities, if they don't have official handles, then at least go through the social media handles of their students, right, to have an understanding of how the student life is. So do that, definitely do that. Next, yeah, this is basically all lawyer talk. Be ready to draft clauses like this in the next few months, few years. In the event of unforeseen incidents, suppose something happens in some test city or something, whatever, or insufficient extra number of candidates are opting to appear from a particular test center, then CLAT, basically who is organizing the CLAT, they reserve to cancel such a city or center and shift the applicant, that is you. They can ask you to go to another city or center. This doesn't happen, don't worry too much. But if it does happen, then, well, they are saying that we are not responsible for it. Then, in order to claim any reservation, then you should show relevant certificates as given by the respective authority. Alright, as required by the respective NLU as notified by them. So the NLU might ask you to get some important documents. You can't be like, but other NLUs are not asking. Why are you asking? I don't want to submit. No, if they ask you for information, you need to submit it. Next, CLAT 2000 application fee is non-refundable, non-adjustable, which basically means that you can't say, oh, I paid 4,000 rupees to write the exam, so deduct 4,000 rupees from my total fee when at the time of my admission. No, you can't do that. It can't be adjusted. Participating NLUs reserve the right to change the number of seats and breakup of seats as per their policy before the final allotment. So the reservation policy is also subjected to be changed as per the concerned government. So all of these are basically saying, see, what information we have given you, it is not final. We will change it the way we want. If the candidate has filled in more than one online application form, the candidate's last online application form only will be considered. In such cases, the application fee for the previous application forms will not be refunded. Okay, this is very, very important. See, you might ask me saying that, look, I have submitted certain information that by mistake and that is not correct. So what now? I can't write CLAT? No. Unfortunately, you have submitted the CLAT form and you've submitted the amount of 4,000 rupees already. But because you've made a mistake, you need to fill that form again and spend another 4,000 rupees, and the previous 4,000 rupees will not be refunded. But the latest form that you will submit, that will only be considered against you. So you're being given that one chance at the, well, the trade-off there is you're spending extra money. And the allotment of seats and offer shall be provisional and shall not create any right of admission in favor of a candidate, basically saying that just because you were made an offer, provisional, it is only provisional admission. You're supposed to fulfill certain conditions. If you do not fulfill such conditions, we will take that admission away from you and you will not have any right of admission anymore. And you're requested to visit CLAT 2019 website regularly for updates. So I hope that all of these instructions are clear. I hope that the series of videos I've made is useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Best of luck, and I hope that you study well.